Hello, this is Yopi. Today I'd like to tell you the information about Tokyo DisneySea September. You must know before you go. If you're thinking of going to DisneySea, if you'd like to enjoy Disney Halloween, please watch it until the end. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. So let's get started. What is this video for? Do you know what is going on in Tokyo DisneySea from September? You must know this if you want to enjoy the event in Tokyo DisneySea, especially it's a season of Halloween, so the DisneySea would be changing with the Halloween event. So I will give you how to make use of it. So let's go to the first thing. First, what is going on in September? This is the schedule of September. From 1st, 40 years souvenir Halloween would be started, and 4th, a new merchandise coming on, and 6th, summer event will be ending. 7th, new merchandise, 14th, 21st, 28th as well. So if you come on Thursday, you can get a brand new merchandise. And the 15th, Disney Halloween starts at this day. So I really recommend from 15th, that will be brand new Halloween event, you can enjoy it. Here's a detail of the Halloween event in DisneySea. This is the official poster of the DisneySea Halloween, and it says enjoyable daytime and mysterious nighttime. Many people wearing Disney costume and villains, you can enjoy it. What is going on? First, Disney Halloween greeting. It's like Mickey Mouse and friends will come to the DisneySea main sea, and you can see the greetings with Disney characters. They are wearing Halloween costumes and very lovely and cute, so you must watch it. Here's a place, Mediterranean Harbor. Duration, it's about 15 minutes, twice in a day. Second, Halloween Fair in New York. If you'd like to enjoy Disney Halloween, you must go to this area, American Waterfront. It means if you go other areas, you cannot feel any Halloween things. So you better come here to enjoy it. If you come to the Tower of Terror, you can see the Mickey looking pumpkin statue. It's daytime, so this is nighttime. It's kind of, it's kind of very mysterious feeling and looking great. You can feel it, and you can see the Halloween decoration as well. The second, the reporting from the Halloween fair. Here you can communicate with cast in DisneySea. The detail of the event is here. In New York City, the Halloween fair is going on. The crew, who are the members of the New York Newspaper Club, will do an interview to the guests. I don't know what kind of interview will be held, but that should be very fun. Some casts are able to speak English and you can communicate with them. Here's a place, American Waterfront in New York area. Our schedule is 14th September to 31st October. Time 9:45 to 6:30. And next, trick or treat at the Halloween fair. You can get a special candy. That's great, right? If you say hi to the cast, trick or treat, who is wearing the Halloween costumes, you can get wonderful candy like this. Cast smiling, you can get the candy, maybe as many as you can. And next, Dream Garland Seal. Do you know this? This is a 40th anniversary in the Tokyo Disney Resort, and this one is, if you ask cast, can I get a garland seal, you can get it. It's kind of secret. But now in the Halloween season, you can get a Halloween version seal. It's very cute. And I put a sticker on your clothes. That'd be very fashionable, I guess. Next, you can go into the park wearing Disney costumes. From 14th September to 31st October, you can go into the park wearing Disney costumes. However, there's no place to change clothes in the park, so please be careful a bit and better change yourself at a bathroom in the DisneySea. Yeah, that could be okay, I guess. And you should check the website, since there are many rules about the costumes. You have to follow this, and please don't wear very sexy kind of clothes. And the next, do you know the fireworks in DisneySea? The Skyflow colors will be restarted. Now, at the moment, it's not going on. So it will be started from September 7th. The time is 20:30 p.m. Next, basic DisneySea event. Let's celebrate with color. Here's the schedule for September until 6th, 10:30, 7th to 13th, 11:30, and 16th, 15th, 14th to 28th, and 30th at 12 p.m. and 3 p.m. at 29th at 14:05. The schedule is changing, so please notice it before you go. Believe the Sea of Dreams. This is a show, you must watch it. Schedule for September until 6th, 8 p.m., 7th to 28th, and 30th, 7:30. At 29th, cancelled. So if you come on 29th, you cannot watch it. Please be careful. The Big Bang Beat, a special treat. This is a show you have to do the lottery. So if you're lucky, you can watch it. Schedule for September 1st to 28th, 30th, 11:30, 12:55, 14:20, 16:20, 17:45, 29th, 12:55, 14:20, 16:20, 17:45. So the only 29th, the schedule will be different. Jamboree Mickey, Let's Dance. This is the show. You can dance with a lot of fun. Schedule for September 1st to 13th, 16:40, 17:55, 19:10, 14th to 28th, 30th, 11:10, 12:25, 13:40, 15:30, 16:45, 29th, 13:30, 14:45, 16:45, 6 p.m. So here's the summary. The summer event ends up in 6th September. From 15th September, the Halloween event will be started. You should check carefully for the schedule of the show and parades, since the show time would be different. Second, ticket price. Do you know the ticket price would be rose up from October in Disney Resort? Here's the September ticket price. If you come on Monday to Friday, basically it's 8,400, but only 18th, that 8,900. On Saturday, that would be 9,400. On Sunday, 3rd and 10th and 24th, that would be 8,900. On the 17th, that would be 9,400. So 16 to 18 would be a Japanese holiday, so 3 consecutive holidays. So that would be very busy. So 17th would be 9,400. That's expensive, right? However, from October, the price would be up. Like if you come on Saturday, that would be 10,900. And Monday to Friday, that would be different if you come on the day. So it's like 23rd to 31st, that would be the, people would come for the Halloween event. So that would be very expensive, 9,400. On a Sunday, it would be very different. First, 8,900, and 8, 10,900, and 15, 22nd, 29th, that would be 9,900. So the ticket price will be different if you come, which day you will come. So please check it and get a ticket beforehand. Is there any ways to go with the cheap price tickets? Everybody think a bit. So if you come with a cheap price, you can buy early evening passport. Do you know this? It's like DisneySea. You can enjoy it from 3 p.m. on weekends and holiday with this ticket. That'll be 6,500 to 8,700 yen for adults. And other thing would be weeknight passport. You can enjoy DisneySea from 5 p.m. on weekdays. That'll be 4,500 to 6,200. Summary: the ticket price would be rose up from October. So if you're thinking of coming to the DisneySea either September or October, you better come on September, I guess. Third, new merchandise. As I explained to you, here's the detail of September. If you come on 4th, 7th, 14th, 21st, 28th, you can enjoy Halloween goods. Especially 14th is the best one. There'll be many good product will be come out. I'll give you the detail of it, and it's actually 22 years of Tokyo DisneySea merchandise will be come out. For example, mini towel set 900 yen, the watch 8900 yen, looking very stylish, right? Next, Daffy merchandise will be come out from 7th, mini towel 2500 yen, so lovely, right? And the tote bag 4700 yen. You're looking a big tote bag with a very lovely character on it, and a stole on 4700 yen. The Japan is getting colder from October. The stole will be great in this season. Next, Halloween products will be come out from 14th September. The number would be more than 70 products. For example, like a Disney vehicle collection, it's quite looking like a real one. I want to get on this bus. Next, lantern 2500 yen. You can, turn on it. The light will be come out, and you can hold this and you can walk around DisneySea. It's looking great, right? So here's a summary of today's video. Halloween event will be started from 15th September. The ticket price would go up from October, so please be careful and better come on September. From 14th, the Halloween merchandise will be come out. You should come and get it. So the product would be sold out very soon. So better come on Thursday, 14th. So, how was today's video? Do you think you can enjoy DisneySea Halloween? If you would like to know much more about it, please ask me on the comment. Thanks for watching. Hope you have a wonderful time at DisneySea and Japan. Please subscribe my channel. I'll give you the update of the DisneySea and Disneyland. And if you'd like to have information about Japanese trip, I will make a video for it. So please ask for it, and please follow my Instagram. So that's it for today's video. Actually, the September has just started, but it's very hot every day. I cannot live without air conditioner. So if you come to Japan from September, please don't think Japan is getting colder or something. Now it's still like a crazy hot summer. But anyway, that will be very enjoyable, so please come and enjoy it. That's it for today's video. See you next time. Bye bye.